welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have arrived home, and in today's video I wanted to show you how I clean my truck because now it's really needed. So let's get into this. Are they dirty, Mati? We have to wash them. Yes? We are done with the vacuum cleaner. Now we have to wipe everything off here because it's very dusty. So let's continue. I don't know how you see, but Mati doesn't really help. I have to say to her to stay here and to do her job. So I have cleaned the dust downstairs. I have to clean from here everywhere the dust. I have to clean from inside the glasses, the windows, and I have to change the sheets. And after that we are good to go. So we have a little bit more to do. So when it's summertime you have to change the sheets even more regularly because of the heat. So let's change it. I'm going to use a spray against dust, cockpit spray, and it says that shines and protects against dust. We will see if it shines and protects against dust. Almost ready. I have to put the bed clothing back, the carpets after they dry, and now I want to show you my ritual because I am really sure that you have already seen this wooden box. You have to put in this incense sticks. They have an opium aroma. You take one, you put fire. You can't leave this alone. So when you are using incense sticks in your car or everywhere, you can't leave them alone. You have to watch them because it's really dangerous. It can cause fire. So be careful if you're using something like this. And also it is very important when you are using them, don't stay in a closed place like a truck. So when you're using them, you have to open or a door or a window or something, because this is the only way that it's safe. So I am putting everything back on its place, and I think I will be ready. So thank you very much for being here and for helping me to clean the truck. And we are going to see each other in the next video. So have a very beautiful Sunday. Sunny, mostly, like here. Bye bye. I have forgot that somebody wanted to wish you as well a very beautiful Sunday. Matzi? So a very beautiful Sunday for you too. Matzi, say bye bye. Bye bye for you.